Hello, I am Rashmi Kosarkar. Today's date is 11 October 2021 and today's my video topic is information about the string. So let's first of all see what is a string in Java programming. So basically string represents a sequence of character, but in Java string is an object that represents a sequence of character. So there is a two way to create a string. First is the by string literal. Then second is the by using new keyword. So let's first of all see the way to create the string by using string literal. The string literal is created by using the double quotes, that is string. For example, string s equals to in double quotes hello. So the each time we create a string, so JVM first check the SCP, that is the string constant pool. When we create a string, if the string is already exist in a pool, then the instant to the string instant to the reference to the pool instant is written. Then next, if a string is not exist in a pool, then first we create a string, then place that string in a pool. We use a string literal concept to make Java more efficient. So next, let's see what is the new string new keyword. So in such case, the JVM will create a string object in a normal heap memory, and the string literal, that is the hello, is stored in a string constant pool. So, and the variable s is refer to the normal objects in a heap. So this is about the new keyword. Then let's see what is the character sequence in Java. So the character interface is used to represent a sequence of character, and the string, then string buffer, and string builder are the classes implement it. So we can create a string in Java by using these three classes. Next is let's see why string is immutable. So the reason behind the immutable string is the means in Java the string is immutable. It means we cannot change. Whenever we change in a string, the new instant is created. And for the mutable string, we can use the string buffer and string builder classes. So let's first of all see the methods of string. So in Java, the string classes provide the various methods that enable you to convert the string into string, then search string, then create substring, then next is the change the case of the string, then getting the string length, and compare the string, and much more. So let's see the one by one methods of string. So first of all see the length method. So in length method, it return the length of the string. Then this method is calculate all the characters and the symbol and the number of enclosed in a enclosed in a double quotes. So the method is return integer value. So for that, for example, we take string s equals to in double quotes hello. Then we take sysout, and in that sysout we print s dot length method. So from this example we get the output So length of hello, that is the 5. So this is the example of length method. So this all about the information about the string. Thank you.